Makeup is ready. In this vlog, you're gonna see a lot of like the really cool spots to go in St. Barths if you ever come here. Like, what are the nice restaurants, what are the nice beaches, where do you go, you know, if you want to pamper yourself. And I'm also going to show you what I actually packed for this trip, because I didn't show you this in my previous vlog, and I don't think I had time to show you this when I left Miami because I left in such a rush. And today, last day of the year, we're back to go to what I think is the most beautiful beach here in St. Barths. So got my towel, kaftan, one of my sandals. These are perfect when you're like hiking in rocks and stuff because the rubber, super easy to walk in. So yes. So guys, we are still walking down this path to the beach. Have arrived in paradise. What? So these people come out of their boats and they set them up here just to spend the day. Isn't that amazing? We are climbing through these rocks because we're trying to find the perfect meditation spot. So we think that like either here or we walk all the way around to here. So let's see. Look at this paradise. How beautiful. All right, let's do it. Are we going in? Yeah. Look at how clear the water is here. It's like a pool. I love the beach here. So we pulled the cards and mine says I am divine focus and Elodie says I am divine communication. Why did we pull these cards?
It's a thing we need to work on for 2023, I guess.
Yes.
I need to be a better communicator.
And I need to focus better in the things that I want to manifest. How do you feel? Because that was a really, really beautiful meditation. Thank you for guiding it.
Thank you for being here, for listening, being here for yourself.
We had a beautiful swim this morning in the hike in the Colombiers. Now we are in the center and I just want to go into this church, just do a little prayer, and then after have a little lunch. I'm a little tired because we went to sleep pretty late last night. Oh my god, it's adorable. I needed that for a bit. I feel better now. If you guys want to know what I'm wearing a red bikini and a IV is here and I am so happy that we're gonna put all these nutrients back into my body. So I guess I'm gonna lay down again.
Absolutely. So we gave her a very large dose of arginine, carnitine, which are two very important amino acids for fuel in our body. And we gave her some B12 and B complex. She had a rough night yesterday, so we're replenishing all the vitamins that she's missing out on. You should come and get this because the majority of the time when you eat or take vitamins, the reality of it is it's only 10% bioavailable to your body. So when you get this done, especially after a strong night out, or just in general to get your weekly, monthly dose of vitamins, it's that much more important and that much more stronger when you do it inside your vein because it goes straight to your metabolic rate.
Finished my IV and I can tell you that I am feeling phenomenal. I came in here feeling so tired, I feel so amazing right now. So let's go continue our beautiful, wholesome day of the last day of the year. All right, makeup is ready. This is gonna be my New Year's Eve dress. It's a new dress from Zimmermann. I got it from FARFETCH. It's in a linen material and I'm gonna be wearing it with my new gifts from Christmas, my gold lariat with a little diamond on it and my gold cross. Because we're going to be outside and the party tonight is going to be on the sand, I want to be comfortable to just dance. So I'm wearing it with a pair of Teresa Lopez sandals. These are from my new collection and they are just perfect, sparkly, and they look so nice with this dress. First breakfast of 2023. We are just going to have fresh, this is kind of like some type of pastries, butter. I love this, apricots, jam, coffee and milk, and this really peaceful view. Today is the 2nd of January and we are celebrating Avery's birthday, which is my girlfriend's baby. She's 1 year old. So let's go and celebrate Avery's first year. Look at this, how beautiful. And the cool thing about this bay is that you have sea turtles here. So you can go in swimming with the turtles. So cute. We're opening presents for baby Avery. Gave her. Oh! I just wanted to show you this beautiful view. One of the most beautiful things about the houses here is just that you have this gorgeous views. And in case you ever want to come here, I'm going to leave in the description box below the contact of who you can reach out to if you ever need accommodations. Today we're having lunch at Le Guanahani. It's a Rosewood hotel and it's set in the most private and irresistible beach. It's a luxury beach resort. The food is phenomenal. The pastry chef is delicious. And what's unique about this is that you can eat on tables on the sand right next to the water. And it's going to be one of the best food restaurants you're going to have in all of St. Barths. You definitely want to make it a point to come and have lunch here one of your afternoons. We were just shopping in town and I want to show you what I got. I got this bag which I've been wanting for so many days. It's like in this toile, is beautiful. It's like literally the perfect bag for like beach. I got this with the matching pouch. This is kind of like a thing in St. Barth this season. They took it out in like a couple different colors. I love this one. I also got this bag, which is like in a terry material, kind of like a towel material. It says St. Barths on it, but what's cool about it is that inside is plastic, so I can use it to put my makeup inside, or I can also use it to put like beach oils and sunblocks, and so cute. Looks amazing with any outfit. I love it. Oh my god, what is this, and what is this turtle doing in the closet? Let me explain. There are turtles everywhere in St. Barths. St. Barths is a turtle haven. So you see turtles crossing the street, you see them swimming with you at the beach, you see them everywhere. And somehow one of them has ended up in the closet today. The turtle in the closet, can you help us take it out?
What?
There's a turtle. Il a une tortue in the closet. Regarde. En bas.
Non.
Oui. Tu peux nous aider à la prendre? Moi, j'ai peur. Mais oui. Mais vas-y, elle est dans le closet.
Ah, je comprends pas, j'ai peur, ouais.
Mais non, c'est une tortue.
Elle est où?
Dans le closet. Rentre. Regarde. Là, regarde la tortue.
Non.
Oui.
Comment elle est arrivée là?
On ne sait pas.
Je sais pas.
Ah, je vais la prendre avec une serviette, moi j'ai un peu peur aussi.
Pourquoi? T'as
Les
peur?
gens, ils les prennent sur la route, ils les prennent, ils les mettent sur le bas-côté.
Yes.
Je pense, mais moi, je sais pas trop les toucher.
Ma serviette que j'avais utilisée là, vous l'avez mis en
Ah,
serviette.
j'ai mis ça là.
This morning we're gonna head into town and we're gonna do a little shopping. We are going to shop at Hermes, and one of the most beautiful things about St. Barths is that it has the most incredible shopping that you can have. It has all the luxury stores, and they're right on the marina, right in front of restaurants, and you can stroll and you can walk to the beach, and it's just such a beautiful experience. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. As usual, can't talk. As usual, is Elodie and I up very early while everybody's still sleeping. But today is a special day because it's her niece Lily Jo's 22nd birthday. So we're gonna make it really special for her. Celebration. Anyway, you guys saw her in my previous vlog, but right now she's having breakfast in town. So Elodie bought her her birthday present, which is a pair of Hermes Oran sandals. Imagine receiving a birthday gift at 22, your first Hermes Oran sandals in caramel color. I showed it to them in the store. So she's going to be really happy, hopefully. And have a good day. And we're gonna have a good day. She needs to be happy so we can have a good day. Because if not, it's gonna be a difficult day. Elodie, you look beautiful as always. So I'm gonna show you where we guys are. We are in this beautiful place in the center of St. Barths where you have like so cute breakfast and pastries. Look at these pastries. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the layers inside of that. Oh God, you know, the beauties of a French pastry. So we're waiting for Lily Jo to arrive with Elodie's mom and to give her the surprise. Look how beautiful this place is. It's just so beautiful in here. Oh yeah, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing something that looks like I'm part of this garden at the moment. Hold on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Wow. Yes. Oh, c'est trop beau. Oh, je suis trop contente. Merci, Tata.
J'espère que c'est ta taille, sinon il faudra que tu ailles les changer.
A great place to have a drink and have some food while you watch the sunset is Shellona. It's in Gustavía and it's the classiest, most beautiful sunset. The food is great. Try the lobster, it's very fresh and the local catch of the day. For dinner, if you want to have a fun dinner with music, live music, and you want to dance, I highly recommend Sela. It's a restaurant from Jerusalem. The food is absolutely a culinary experience. You're going to love it. You're going to be treated as family, and you're just going to have a wonderful time. Well, here's me and my best friend hanging out in the beach, the most favorite beach to hang out at during the day. I love Gypsy. It's a restaurant and you can also dance, and it has a beautiful beach. This is next to Nikki Beach. It's also next to Eden Roc. You can just walk along all these establishments on the beach. It's just so nice to lay down here, relax, read a book, and just enjoy the day. To leave St. Barths, you have two options. You either take a little private plane or you take a ferry. There are two airlines that fly straight from St. Barths to St. Martin. St. Martin is the main hub where you connect to the rest of the world.